You're not acting dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little slide.
You had a disagreement. That's it.
At Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport in June 2025, a man struck his girlfriend with a cell phone aboard a commercial aircraft. Both were deplaned. Officers made contact at the gate. 3 charges followed.
I don't know if we need to go up or down a level.
Bravo 50, I mean, heavily. Pardon me.
I don't give a shit.
Hey guys,
Everybody.
have a seat.
We is good, bro. I'm having a whole bad day. No,
Hey,
that's
hey,
my girlfriend.
young
We
man.
okay, bro.
Young man,
Yes.
talk to me.
We just having a bad disagreement.
Yes, y'all have been having a bad day.
A bad day.
And you almost didn't even make it out of here. So what's the
I'm
problem
trying to
now?
make it out of here right now. I'm good. You can ask her if she okay and everything.
Come on, young lady. Let's go take a walk. 31. I'm at Echo Street.
No, you're not.
Good morning.
Ask her.
Ma'am, you here with them or are you here with them?
I literally, I just sat out.
Pick another seat.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Right. I ain't trying to go to jail. You're getting close. I'm sorry. I'm trying to sit here on my gate and go. This is the same.
I know.
Yeah.
I
Babe,
know.
you okay, baby? You all right? Everything all right, baby?
You gonna stop crying or talk to me? What's going on, man?
Bro. Like, listen, we just having a bad shit. I gotta sit over here, bro. That shit. We get on a flight, go home, and go our way, bro. That's
Whatever it is, it's verbal, so you can still talk to me because no one saw anyone hurt anyone, right? What's her name?
her name is Gia. She good.
Okay.
You can talk to her.
No, you don't need to stop talking.
What about tired of you, man?
Hey, do me a
Listen to
favor.
me.
Hey,
What about tired of you? So stop.
hey, do me a favor. Stand over there with him, okay? You can leave it right there, man. Or put it in your pocket.
I'm about to. Hello?
Ma'am, do you need police assistance? Do you need police assistance, ma'am?
Security advisory.
I'll give you a minute.
For your safety, please do not leave baggage unattended. Unattended baggage will be removed and may be discarded. All persons must maintain control of their personal property, including carry-on baggage and check baggage, to avoid transporting items without
Ma'am, do you want to talk to me?
carrying firearms to a TSA screening checkpoint of an airport is prohibited by federal law and regulations. Check all carry-on baggage for firearms before entering TSA screening checkpoints. Do not leave vehicles unattended on the curb. Unattended vehicles will be promptly ticketed and towed at the owner's expense.
What time's your flight, ma'am?
Your safety is our business. Please help us help you.
2:15. So, you and your significant other have been in contact with the police 3 times already.
TSA officer,
3 times.
airline representative.
Okay, but actually, we're here right now because you started screaming and yelling.
Broward County
So why are we screaming and yelling?
Hollywood International Airport is doing
Why are we
its part
screaming
to
and yelling?
combat human trafficking. It's estimated that over 25 million
If someone had hurt you,
worldwide
all of these people would have seen it. So why are you making a scene?
It's happening.
Is everything all right? Do you need police assistance?
South Florida.
Really hurt. That's why I'm great. I'm not going to scream for no reason.
Okay, so what's going on now?
Law enforcement officials have thoroughly
I'm
investigated.
not going to talk to you. You're acting like an asshole. I'm not going to talk to you.
Mission.
You just get out of my
3 Bravo 41.
You want to talk to me? We'll start fresh. You can talk to me. Listen, stop crying and just tell me what's up real quick. Okay? I'll help you out if I can. I'm not going to be mean to you. I'm not going to be a jerk, but you got to tell me what's up. Whoa. Wait, honey, I can't understand you if you're crying. So chill for a minute and then kind of give me an idea. Where are you guys going? You traveling together?
I'm going to Buffalo again. He has my plane ticket.
Okay.
Passport.
Are you guys married?
No.
Just boyfriend and girlfriend? Okay. okay, and you're going to Buffalo together, and now what happened? Were you fighting before you came to the airport, or this started here?
It started here.
Why?
First off, we got kicked off the first plane.
Why?
And then, because of an altercation, the girl thought she heard him say something. And then that altercation
A
happened.
girl like the employee?
Yeah, the employee.
Okay.
So then he got us kicked off the plane.
Okay.
And then, so I went with him because obviously he bought my ticket or whatever.
Right.
And then we came back, yeah, then he started screaming. Then we came here, he got a text message from somebody that said I was doing something, and he wanted to believe it and hit me in the freaking mouth with his phone.
So he wanted to believe some stupid shit
Yeah,
on the
something
phone.
on his phone.
Okay, that you were doing something wrong, but you weren't.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I guess
We here
he's
because
more
we had
stable.
a Can you come up closer to me? We here because we had a disagreement. That's it. You feel me? Then we was talking. We just keep having an
But
argument
now
back
he's
and
apparently
forth.
he's beginning to
Is this the ongoing argument that
I don't know what happened.
We done with the argument. It's over. We was sitting there chilling, talking. You feel me? But it's people keep calling us, telling that my girlfriend is cheating on me. You get what I'm saying? And she telling me that she not whatever. And I'm believing her. I just want to get home.
My
I just want to get home. That's it.
I don't know what
What's your
happened.
ID,
I'm
man?
talking to Stephanie and the witnesses. I couldn't tell.
Can I see your boarding pass for a second?
He has it.
He has everything. Okay, so then he started to accuse you of whatever nonsense, and it wasn't true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And he was on my face.
Okay, and then you were arguing back and forth after that?
No, that's what I screamed when I got
Oh,
him.
you were screaming because he was up in your face
No, because he hit me in the face with the phone.
with the phone. Okay.
I don't care.
All right, hold on, babe. Don't yell. Because here's the thing. When you guys were going there to Buffalo, you want to see your people or his people?
We live together in the apartment. We do. We live
Up there or down
yeah,
here?
in Buffalo.
You and him live
Yeah,
together in
yeah,
Buffalo.
we're coming from.
So you're going home.
Yeah.
You're not going to see somebody. Okay. Here's the thing. If you guys, forget what he's doing right now. You have to remain calm and be chill, or they're not going to let you fly. So, like, don't yell over there. Don't, like, get, like, with it, like, fuck him, right?
Bravo 30, units off that mark.
Just listen to him real quick.
This is where we're at. You and him have a ticket to leave.
Bravo 30.
All right, go ahead.
This is your passport, correct?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
More interaction with us, they're gonna cancel all of your tickets.
So I was
and
just-
you're gonna have to go to Miami.
That's what I was just telling her.
This is the last place you can actually fly out of. At this
Anything go
time.
ahead?
You understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying is, I'm gonna give you a chance to get on your plane and leave. But no more dramatics. No more dramatics.
Nobody was being dramatic.
Ma'am,
If
I'm not
you get
accusing you.
fucking hit in the face, you're not acting dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little nigga slide, embarrassing us throughout the whole
here's the thing.
airport.
Here's the thing,
I
man.
don't
You were
care.
talking to me a second ago. That's not the way you were talking to me.
Yeah, because he came in here
I'm gonna walk away.
doing something.
You were talking to me very calm. So let's remain that way. Let's remain that way. Look at me.
I can't be
Look-
calm when
hey,
he
hold
when
on.
he was talking
Hold
nonsense
on.
about this person that I always let slide.
Okay.
And do everything.
I
and
feel
make us
you.
look crazy.
I feel you, but let's keep it classy. You. Forget him. Talking about you right now, let's keep it classy. Because you know what? If he acts stupid and he wants to get whatever up in here, they're going to tell him, right, you're not flying, sir. That doesn't mean you can't fly. You're not attached to him. At this point, you have your own ticket, your own thing in your hand, right? You got to be chill and just stay to
No,
yourself.
I can't go on the next flight. I have to go to work. I can't go. I didn't even get kicked off the plane.
What's your
He
final
should be
destination?
going.
Buffalo.
I
All right.
cannot. I didn't
Leave
even
her
get
there.
kicked off the first plane.
You can go next.
Okay. See what just happened?
They
Okay.
said that.
No, see what just happened? You're
I
going to
didn't
go on
get
the next
kicked
one.
off the first plane.
You're going to go on the next one, and they're going to bump him. That way you don't argue on the plane. That way you don't have to put up with him. You don't have to look at him. You don't have to deal with him. You're going to fly on the next flight. He's going to get bumped to the one after that. Okay?
A decision right now. You're not leaving with him.
Okay, can I
And
leave
whatever
at the first
happened,
place?
whatever happened,
Yes.
it's still here.
Okay, no
Because y'all
problem.
bought it here.
Right.
All right. So right now,
Yes.
you're gonna walk out with this gentleman. We're gonna rebook you. There's no more questions.
Wait,
There's
Mr.
no
Mr.
more.
I
That's.
gotta go.
There's no more.
I'm
No.
no,
Let's go.
Can I get on this?
No.
She get on the next one?
No.
I will pay for her to get on the
No.
next one.
I already said no.
Move.
Like I said, You just keep it cool. Don't play into the games or bullshit. If you start yelling,
I didn't do that. You did that to yourself.
if you start yelling, what did I just say? If you start yelling at him and get whatever, they're not going to let you fly either. You got to be calm.
I'm a patient. Stop talking to her, man. Just walk. Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right, keep walking.
Guys, I'm sorry.
Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right, keep walking.
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, put your head on your back. I'm not even doing that.
Hey, relax.
I ain't even relax, bro. I just relax. I'm pissed off, bro. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. Can y'all take me to my gate, man?
You're under arrest.
Please, can you take me to my gate, bro? Please, all I did was fall, bro. I'm pissed off, bro. I'm not acting stupid, bro. I'm really just mad as hell. Y'all don't understand what I went through today. I got a whole funeral to go to at 5 o'clock, and y'all not understanding this. I missed the funeral already, my great-grandmother. What the fuck, babe? You really gonna let these people do this to me in the airport?
Doing it to yourself.
You love me? Like, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy, my love.
But hear me out. I don't want this to grow to everywhere where they
What
try to
just happened right
trespass
there?
you. Well,
Ma'am, stay here.
Can I get the money at least, or my charger?
He's not going to give it up, and I can't take it from
Oh,
him.
the charger in his pocket. My phone's gonna die.
I know, but
I have a stop somewhere though, sir. My phone's gonna die.
I will see if I can get
Pocket.
it. Please come back and sit down.
And he just got arrested.
Well, because he wants to act like a fool. That's why I keep telling you to calm down and just be chill.
That's crazy. Lift me up, guys. Please, can y'all lift me up? I'm not doing nothing.
Come to me.
I'm contained, bro. Like, I'm contained, bro. It's only money in my stuff.
Hey, he's got a bunch of money. Can someone grab this? Yeah, a lot of
Bro, can you please not arrest me? Can I go to the PI?
One, bring your knees up to your chest. 2,
I'm a great, bro. Can you walk me to the gate, bro? If you really did me like this, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, gang. That's crazy. I'm gonna calm down, Mr. Hall. Please just take me to my gate. Please, guys.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
In Florida, bro. I don't even know the laws out here, bro. Please, Mr. Hall. I'm begging you, please. Please. Please, man, please. What the fuck? Please, I'm begging you, bro.
We're walking.
I'm walking. I'm be quiet. I want to be quiet. I won't talk. Can I?
Don't touch anything.
I ain't touching nothing. I don't want to touch anything. I just want to talk. You feel me? Y'all really taking me to jail?
Yeah. Hang on.
Can I call my mom? Can I call my mom off my phone? Please, can I call my mom? She's all the way in New York. Please, my mom lives in Buffalo, New York.
Step them out. No, turn them in.
Please.
Legal issue 1. Probable cause without an officer witness. No officer saw the battery. The arrest rests on the victim's on-camera statement alone. Under the Fourth Amendment, probable cause requires a reasonable belief, based on articulable facts, that a crime was committed. The victim stated he hit her in the mouth with his phone. That statement, voluntary, specific, made after she composed herself, satisfies the totality of circumstances standard under Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Physical evidence is not required. A credible victim disclosure is sufficient. Legal issue 2. Mandatory arrest. Florida Statute Section 901157 removes officer discretion in domestic violence entirely. Once probable cause exists that a domestic battery occurred, the officer shall arrest the primary aggressor. Shall, not may. Discretion has been legislatively eliminated. Legal issue 3. No warrant required. Under United States v. Watson, 1976, a warrantless arrest in a public place on probable cause is constitutional. The airport gate is a public place. The Fourth Amendment was satisfied. The disorderly conduct charge under Florida Statute Section 87703 requires a sustained course of conduct causing public alarm, not merely offensive speech. Here, 13 minutes of escalation, repeated non-compliance after explicit warnings, and continued aggression in a crowded public terminal. The threshold is met. The resisting charge, under Florida Statute, Section 843.02, attached when the suspect refused the handcuff command. Non-violent but physical non-compliance is a first-degree misdemeanor, independent of the battery charge. It is the only count he created entirely by his own decision. The suspect stated he did not know Florida law. Under ignorantia juris non excusat. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. This provides no defense. Jurisdiction follows geography, not familiarity. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. Under Florida's evidence code, the victim's on-camera statement qualifies as an excited utterance, admissible at trial regardless of whether she subsequently cooperates. Bodycam footage can sustain a domestic violence conviction without the victim's live testimony. The lead officer receives an A-. Party separation was immediate. The victim interview was non-leading and produced an admissible disclosure. Probable cause existed well before the arrest was executed. The deduction reflects the extended window between that threshold and the handcuff command. The suspect receives a D. He struck his girlfriend on an aircraft, caused both to be deplaned, escalated for 13 minutes, refused the arrest command, adding a third charge, and was offered a final chance to board and leave. He did not take it. The victim receives a B+. She composed herself, disclosed the battery with specific detail, and did not recant. The deduction reflects repeated attempts to manage the suspect's behavior herself. A recognized trauma response that complicated scene management. 3 takeaways. First, in Florida, a credible victim disclosure triggers mandatory arrest under Section 901(1)(7). Officers hold no discretion once that threshold is met. A suspect cannot negotiate or apologize out of a domestic battery arrest. Second, an on-camera victim statement qualifies as an excited utterance under Florida's evidence code, admissible without the victim's cooperation. In the domestic violence case, the body cam recording increasingly functions as independent prosecution evidence. Third, non-compliance during a lawful arrest is a separate charge. The suspect entered this encounter facing 1 count. He left facing 3. The resisting charge was entirely within his control. He created it himself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.